I, Valerie King, consent for the video, consent for, I don't need my glass on, consent for video the vote to use my image or likeness for their election protection documentation project.
All right, good deal. Now, you have been observing here at one of the election polls here in Topeka, Kansas, and what are some of the problems that you're observing and noticing here?
Well, my job here is to observe and make sure everything is above board. I have been instructed that I'm supposed to mark down anybody off a general list that was given to us that did appear as promised to vote, and we didn't go by who they were voting for or anything like that. So they're not calling out the names, so I have to keep asking for the name of the person that came in to vote, which I shouldn't have to do. That should be automatic. They're supposed to say the name twice, and they're not saying the name twice. Second of all, they allowed someone to put in a provisional ballot into the box when that ballot was supposed to be turned in to one of the people here that are manning the voting poll here. And so that was another impropriety. So our attorney came down, an attorney came down and did speak to them, and then a supervisor came out and did relay the complaints to them, but they're still not giving me the names of these people every time they come in. And if she knows the person, this one particular person in here, she won't even call out the name. She just opened the book and let them sign in. They've been signing in on different lines. They're not signing in on the correct lines. So it's a whole bunch of improprieties going on, but I can't say that it's going to cause the election.
Right.
Either way, you know, I'm just noticing those things happening here.
Right.
So basically, I'll be here another 2.5 hours observing.
Right, until the polls close.
Until they close.
And what time do the polls close
7
here?
7 p.m.
Right. Now, what happens if, have you guys had any issues with long lines or anything since you've been here?
Not since I've been here, but they said this morning it was like 125 people, shoulder to shoulder in here.
Wow.
So we're just waiting for this evening rush to come in.
Okay, and have you been given any special instructions on what to do if lines are overwhelming?
If the lines get long, I can call up if it gets overwhelming. If they run out of machines or papers or whatever, I can call into the phone bank and get other machines down here.
All right, good deal.
Get other machines down here to make sure the polls close at 7 o'clock. So I'll leave here about 6:45, around 6 o'clock, and I'll come back at 6:45, and I'll make sure that the polls do close at 7.